Today, we are going to be going over the C3 Corvette market, and I will be giving you 4 examples of cars available for sale that you might want to take a look at, if you are in the market for a classic Corvette like the C3. If you like my Corvette and muscle car content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Rules. We will be only using cargurus.com to find the cars that are available, and we will also be focusing on only the C3 Corvette. We will also try to find high-quality deals for good cars with hopefully no accidents and so on. But as always, make sure to do your own check and research whenever buying a used or new car. Links will be available in the description down below. Let's get into it. Car 1, 1982 Chevrolet Corvette. At number 1, we've got a 1982 C3 Corvette finished in a beautiful white exterior with an interesting red interior that really stands out. Powering this classic C3 is a 5.7-liter or 350 cubic inch V8, pushing around 200 horsepower and around 290 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This model has 79,232 miles on it and has had a rather low amount of previous owners at only 2. Currently, it's available at Florida Car Collection in Pompano Beach, Florida for $15,995. This Corvette looks like a solid option, especially if the car has been kept in good condition given it has had only 2 owners. Car 2, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. Now at number 2, we have a 1979 C3 Corvette finished in a cool orange exterior with an interesting black interior in which both that stand out. Powering this classic C3 is a 5.7-liter or 350 cubic inch V8, pushing around 200 horsepower and around 285 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The Car Gurus listing does not mention some important stuff, so make sure to do your research. This model has 90,000 miles. Currently, it's available at Classic Car Deals in Cadillac, Michigan for $12,995. This Corvette looks like a nice option, if everything is accurate, but more research should be done into the car as there is some important information missing. If you have made it all the way here, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, thank you. Car 3, 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Let's get into number 3, and here we have a 1977 C3 Corvette finished in a cool red exterior along with an interesting red interior in which both really stand out but also does look cool. Powering this classic C3 is a 5.7-liter or 350 cubic inch V8, pushing around 200 horsepower and around 285 pound-feet of torque, paired to an automatic transmission. The Car Gurus listing does not mention some important stuff, so make sure to do your research once again. This model has 50,414 miles. Currently, it's available at your choice autos in Waukegan, Illinois for $13,999. Even though this Corvette does not have many information on it, looking at the listing it does look like a nice option, and I do especially like the orange exterior color, which seems to be unique compared to the other C3 Corvettes. Car 4, 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. Finally at number 4, and here we have a 1978 C3 Corvette finished in a cool gray and black exterior along with a unique silver interior in which both really stand out but also does look cool. This listing does not mention the engine or the transmission, so be cautious, but I would guess that it's similar to the other ones we talked about. This model has 49,461 miles. Currently, it's available at 4M Sales in Buffalo, New York for $14,500. This Corvette looks like a fine option, but the lack of information stops me from being able to give a final decision, but if you do your research then this specific colorway could be an interesting one to own. The C3 Corvette is an iconic Corvette, but if you want a bit newer Corvette with some more technology and features, make sure to watch these next 2 videos.